Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a new version of Google Chrome. So this is Chrome 94 that arrives about 3 weeks after the last version. So we talked about the change in schedule for Google Chrome. They were actually sending out a new version every 6 weeks. Then starting last version, Chrome 93, they had mentioned that we would be moving to a 4 weeks schedule. Now it's been only 3 weeks, but starting today, it's actually every 4 weeks. So Chrome 94 is available for upgrade. Simply go to your Google Chrome upper right corner and then go to Help and About Google Chrome. It should be updating your Chrome to 94.0.4606.54. And that is the latest version. Now, since it's been only 3 weeks, there's not a lot of new stuff in here. But we'll talk about something controversial. But I'll keep a video for the controversy. We're going to keep this video just to what exactly has changed or is new and that you can maybe see actually on Chrome 94. So one of the first things that Chrome 94 does is make HTTPS even more prevalent. HTTPS, which is the secure version of any web page, is becoming pretty much the standard. Why? Because it encrypts the pages. So when you actually access a website through secure HTTP, it means that it's encrypted from the server to your computer. In the middle, nobody sees what it is. So this, of course, is being pushed more and more by all the companies that make browsers because of the secure aspect of it. Now, in this version, you might have web pages that you go to that are still not in secure mode, because there's still quite a lot of them. The reason why is because a secure certificate costs money, and some websites just don't invest in that. It doesn't mean that it's insecure or it's dangerous, by the way, just to let you know. It's just that it's not encrypted, which means anybody in the middle would see what you're doing on that page. So some of you might see a big warning when you go to a page that does not have HTTPS enabled. That means it's just going to tell you, well, this page is not not secure and so on and so on, but you still can visit the web page. One of the things that also for some of you is going to show up is that when you go to a new tab page, of course you have some customization here that you can do, and there are some things that can change. Some of them, for example, I have all the websites that I visit regularly, or that I do regularly go to on this machine. Now, one of the things that is also showing up for some of you in the new tab page is your last 3 Google Drive files that are on Google Drive. So that is a card that can appear on the page if you do check it out. So this is a possibility that you'll see it. You can customize all of that, of course. Improved graphic processing. So with the new APIs and the new web GPU API that are within Google Chrome, better processing thanks to your GPU. It's going to make Chrome faster to process everything, including online games. So these are some of the new things that you will have on here. So these are really minor things that are just like under the hood mostly, and not really that visible. There are security updates, and I will talk about that in a separate video also, because we I like to separate what's new and what's in the browser itself with the other things to talk about. So Chrome 94 is now available, and I'll have a ranting video if you want to know why, because there's something also new in Chrome 94 that might not please a lot of people. And there's the security updates that will have its own video where I'm going to actually talk about how many security fixes in here and so on. So if it's just, if you don't care about the new features, updating to 94 at least for the security updates is a really good idea. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.